ungamandla akho, ungamandla akho, siyazi ukuthi ungamandla, ungamandla akho, ungamandla, siyazi ukuthi ungamandla, sibonga ukugcinwa Baba, ungamandla. This woman there. Yes. Come, Mama. Where are you from, by the way? Sightsee. You are taking a journey. You are going home July. 2nd of July.
Yes.
You are going for a funeral.
Yes.
Prophesy, Papa.
Come here. Listen to me, Mama.
Pulutata, Mama.
Cook your own food.
Upheka ukutya kwakho,
Don't eat anyone's food.
ungatyi ukutya kwam.
Because you'll go and bury and never come back.
Ngoba uzofika ungcwabe ungaphindi ubuye.
Give me 2 back to sender.
Ndinike back to senders bembili.
When are you going?
Hamba ngolwesine tata kusetyenzwe ngomgqibelo.
He just died.
Uvele wafa tata.
They just said, and he died.
Yes. Njalo tata.
Don't eat.
Ungatyi.
Uva tata.
Enter the door. Come. You shall live and not die. Declare the goodness of the Lord in the lands of the living. In Jesus' name.